No one can clearly foresee the city of the future, but the appearance of any city of any period of history is a direct outcome of the social, economic and technical conditions then existing. Take, for example, the city of today, a vast conglomeration of tall buildings, and slums, everyone building tenement or towers as they please on their own sites. This is an architectural result of today's economic order, pure and rugged individualism. If we were to abandon this on some new order, based on a broader scale and more town planning forethought, that also would produce an architecture all its own. The cities of the future would be laid out to a master plan. Streets and buildings no longer haphazard but harmoniously related. The skyscraper in itself a useful form would still appear, but only in isolated or predetermined places in the city's plan. Structural ingenuity would of course go on producing unusual forms, perhaps suspension bridge apartment houses. These would surely provide wide vistas for the bridge dwellers and perhaps gratify the very human desire for novelty and romance. But city planning would be infinitely better if there were artistic streets. There must be broad avenues, providing trees and ease of movement, with light and pure air for all buildings. Perhaps the master stroke of planning would be to segregate on one hand future highly efficient automatic industrial centres, producing all our needed goods and distributing them in abundance. Far removed and entirely outside the atmosphere of the machine, new centres of leisure would arise, around which we would live, fully participating in the sports, the arts and the sciences, in fact in all the activities which make life worth living. Possibly, if there be celestial astronomers in other planets, they may yet look down on such cities of the future, artistic and healthy, built in an environment made possible by modern